few to this final round. And now it's time to don your thinking caps, clasp the author's pen, and give this challenge your literary best. So your words have all the power to make you victorious. So I would wish all good luck to all my students before we begin. And I want to see a cheerful smile on all the students' face. Don't take tension at all. Be vigilant, and you all are good to go. Right? If you agree with me, give me a thumbs up, please. Great, great. Good to see your smiling faces. So I would request Tanveer ma'am to please go ahead with the slide. Yes, so we begin with the participants of Cygnus House here. In Cygnus House, we have Master Parth Deshpande, Master Arush Nandi, Miss Naisha Bhatt, and Master Arnav Deshpande. Moving to the next house, Phoenix House, we have Miss Mayuri Gupta, Master Arnav Mirani, Master Mayank Kumar, and Master Shubh Kamal Tiwari. Delphinus House, we have Master Anirudh Lele, Master Udayveer Pereira, Master Satvik Arora, Master Shubham Rathi. And moving to the next house, that's Pegasus, we have Master Sujit Basu, Master Ishan Nandan, Miss Anushka Sagar, and Miss Apurva Jha. So I hope there's no problem with the houses, children. It's all clear, correct? Okay, thank you so much. Tanveer ma'am, can we move ahead? So the very first round is, children, general round. Okay, the very first round is general round. So let me read out the instruction of general round. Please pay attention. Be very vigilant. First round will be general round. Each team would be asked 4 questions, and that would be objective. That's multiple choice. Okay. 10 marks for correct answer and no negative marking for wrong answer. I repeat, 10 marks for correct answer and there's no negative marking. So don't have to panic at all. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Understood? So it is not possible. Answering time is only 30 seconds. Now here I would just like to say, the moment I read out the question for you, after that the timer will start. Okay? So the moment I read out the question, you be vigilant, listen carefully, and then your time begins. Right? The correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds are over. Understood? Great. Tanveer ma'am, next slide, please. Okay. So here we begin with the Delphinus House. Who is known as the father of English?
Geoffrey Chaucer.
Begins now.
Geoffrey Chaucer B.
Very good, very good. Correct answer. Very good. The first answer is correct. Next question. Next slide, ma'am. This goes for Pegasus House. Who wrote the fantasy novel Lord of the Rings?
J.R.R. Tolkien.
J.R.R. Tolkien. Option A.
Okay. Okay, great. That's also a correct answer. Very well done, Pegasus. Next question. This goes for Cygnus House. The Diary of Anne Frank was originally written in which language? Your time begins now. The Diary of Anne Frank was originally written in which language?
It was in B Dutch.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Children, very well done. Good. Cygnus House, correct answer. Very good. Next. For Phoenix, which one is the first novel of Charles Dickens? I repeat, which one is the first novel of Charles Dickens? The time starts now.
Oliver Twist.
B, the Pickwick Papers. I'm pretty sure B, the Pickwick Papers.
Are you sure, Shubkamal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No.
Tell me the final answer. Still you have time.
Please go with B, the Pickwick Papers.
Pickwick Papers. I would like to tell you, you're perfectly all right. Correct. Well done. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Now we move towards the set 2. The first question is for which house? Let's see. It's for Pegasus. The court dash him to 5 years in prison.
Sentence. C.
Order
Sentence. C.
Yes.
C.
Sentenced. Okay. Very well done. Very well done. Perfect. Correct answer. Good going. Next is for Cygnus. I don't know if I can do it, but I'll dash a go. The answers are options are make, give, and have. And your time starts now.
Option B. Give a go. B.
Sorry?
Give. B. Give a go.
I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay.
C.
Don't give me multiple answers. Don't give me multiple answers. Give me one option. What is it? A, B, or C?
C. It's C. Ma'am, it's C. It's option C.
Time is about to run out. Finally, tell me the option.
C. Option C.
C? Okay, then I lock on C and you're correct. You get a point. You get your point here. Next, Phoenix. Dash was at the party last night.
Everybody.
Yes, everybody.
Okay. Perfect. Fine. Good. Very well done. So the answer, everybody is correct. You get your points here. Next, you need to work really bad if you want to be a successful person.
Hard.
Hard. Okay. Perfect. Correct. Let's move on to the next set of questions, which goes to Delphinus. Father Anthony cried a river. Now, this is a figure of speech, children, which you have to tell me. Okay, which figure of speech it is? Father Anthony cried a river of tears.
It's hyperbole.
Delphinus, the time starts now. Please do not unmute all of you. Sorry?
Metaphor.
Ma'am, it's
Tell me the
hyperbole.
final answer.
Hyperbole.
It's hyperbole or it's a metaphor. What is it?
Ma'am, it's hyperbole.
It's hyperbole.
Sure?
Yes, hyperbole.
Okay. Fine. Your time is about to end and here your answer comes. It's correct. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Clap hands for each
Very
other,
good.
children.
Yes. You can applaud for teachers.
Well done, children.
Clap hands for each
Very
other.
well.
Well done.
Very nice.
Okay, moving to the next question, which is for Pegasus. Necessity is the mother of invention. Now, what is it? Which figure of speech it is? Your time starts now. Necessity is the mother of invention. Come on, Pegasus. Tell me which figure of speech it is. Time is running. No one?
Metaphor. Ma'am,
Sure.
metaphor.
Hyperbole.
Sorry,
Ma'am,
it's a
hyperbole.
wrong answer. No point saying now. Time is already up. So this is a wrong answer. The answer is personification. Okay. Next, moving to the next house. You are the sunshine of my life. You are the sunshine of my life. Which figure of speech it is? Your time has already started. Come on. Cygnus House. You are the sunshine of my life.
Personification.
Personification.
Tell me the final answer. Is it personification?
Personification.
Personification.
No, I'm so
Yes, ma'am.
sorry. Again, it's a wrong answer. It is a metaphor. It is a metaphor. So here you lose. No problem. Next, let's move on to the next house. Phoenix. The Titanic was said to be unsinkable but sunk on its very first voyage. Your time starts now. The
Ma'am, part of-
Titanic was said to be
Ma'am, it's
unsinkable.
irony.
Irony, ma'am.
Irony.
Irony.
Yes, yes.
Yes, here you get your points, Phoenix. Very well done. Good round of applause for you. Good one. So here we end with this second set of questions for you or for all the houses. Let's move on to the third. Okay. Now you have to spell the words. Okay, here you have to spell the words. Understood? So be very
Ma'am,
vigilant.
I
Do
have
not
one doubt.
unmute. Sorry.
For this round, can we keep a pen and a paper besides us?
Yeah, you have to listen to it, Beta, and then immediately you have to tell me the spelling. Okay, so
Whatever you
house-wise,
are
this is
comfortable
also
with, child.
yes, yes, you can go ahead with that. No problem. Ready? So for Pegasus, the word is grandiloquent. The word is grandiloquent. And your time starts now. Grandiloquent. Come on.
May I try?
Yes, please.
Grandeloquent.
Ma'am, may
No.
I? Grandiloquent.
No. No. Anyone else? Quick, quick, quick. Come on. Just 5 seconds.
Grandiloquent.
Your time is over.
Ma'am, can I answer? My mic was not happening. I wanted to say I was raising my hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Now here I would like to interrupt. Students, they must not give a multiple try to one question. You have to give one final answer that will only be considered. And the host Neha ma'am will ask you, whosoever is giving answer, she will ask whether it is the final answer, and then she will declare whether it is wrong or right. So please do not give multiple answers. Other houses, please make a note of it.
One attempt. Only one attempt. So in your very first attempt, it was a wrong answer. And the correct answer is Grandiloquent. Okay? Eloquent. No problem. Let's move ahead to the next house. Tanveer ma'am, can you please? Yes. For spelling it, the word is fortuitous. The word is fortuitous. And your time starts now. Think and answer.
Fortious.
I'm so sorry, it's a wrong
Ma'am,
answer. And as you know, you have only one attempt.
Ma'am,
I'm so second chance. I can't.
P-O-R-T-U-S.
No. Children, please behave here. I can't give you the second chance. You need to think and then answer. So here you lose. Correct spelling is Fortuitous. Okay?
If you're not sure, please first discuss with your teammates because you are having 30 seconds and then say, yes, ma'am, this is our final answer.
You can coordinate with your team and then answer. Suddenly, if you give answer, I have to consider that, correct? It's okay.
You-
Let's move ahead to the
you-
next house.
1 second. You can use the chat
Yes,
box
ma'am.
also. So you can use the chat box to discuss.
For discussion, yes. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, moving ahead to the next house. Phoenix. So the next word is for Phoenix. The word is epistolary. The word is epistolary. And your time starts now. Please discuss and then let me know the final answer.
Can you repeat
Use the
the
chat
word?
box, see? Epistolary. Come on, it's 10 seconds left.
Can I try?
Quick, your time is running. It's already 2 seconds.
Epistolory.
Your time already went, and although it's a wrong answer, Shubkamal, well tried, but it's a wrong answer. The correct answer is Epistolary. Okay, no problem. Moving ahead to the next house. Please, children, be very alert and be little quick. Now, the word for Delphinus house is impecunious. Impecunious. And your time starts now. Delphinus house.
Repeat the word.
Impecunious.
Impetuous.
Quick, come on, 19 seconds left.
Ma'am, it is IMPU. No, it is
Fast, come on, fast.
IMPUS.
EUOUS.
I'm sorry, it's a wrong answer. It's a wrong answer. Please mute yourself. Mute yourselves now. It is a wrong answer. Here you lose. And the correct spelling is IMPECUNIOUS. Okay. So with this, we end with round 1. And I would like to ask Anupama ma'am to please announce the scores after general round.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Very wonderful round. Everybody have done. The points are Pegasus House 20 points, Delphinus 30 points, Phoenix 30 points, Cygnus 20 points. Well done. Hope we'll see the better results in the second round. Clap, a huge round of clap for these all wonderful
Very
kids.
nice.
Very nice. Well done.
Good going.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Neha, ma'am. Let's continue.
Yourself.
Congratulations. Well done. Round 1.
Well done.
completed.
Well done. Great.
Good going.
Great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Clap for each other.
You can smile and clap for yourself at least. Come on.
Yeah, wonderful
Teacher.
job. You kids are really doing wonderful.
Very
Proud
nice,
of you.
Very nice.
Actually, an instant answers I'm getting. That's really great. Good preparation. Okay, so now let's move ahead to the next round. That's round 2, which will be a visual round. Okay, so our next round is the second round, which is a visual round, wherein house-wise you'll be shown a picture, of course, and you have to identify. So let me read the instructions for it for the same. Please stay vigilant. This round would be the picture visual round. 10 marks for the correct answer. Each team would be asked one visual based question. Answering time is only 30 seconds. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. The correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds are over. Okay? So all set? All set, your eyes on the screen and answer house-wise. No mixing up. Okay? Decide and speak. One of you speak up. Got it? The time is there, 30 seconds you'll be getting. So have that patience and then speak up. Got it? Good luck. Let's see. First, for Cygnus House, the given image is the book cover of which famous novel? The given image is the book cover of which famous novel? Cygnus House. The time has already started.
Come on, Cygnus, think fast.
It's not that difficult. For grade 7 and 8, it's not that difficult. Come on, come on.
At least attempt, give it a try.
8 seconds.
Tell the answer, children. Tell the answer, kids.
Lord of Rings.
Oh, the time went. And yes, what are you saying? The Lord of Rings. No, it's the wrong answer. The correct answer is Game of Thrones. The Game of Thrones. It's quite obvious with the picture. No problem. It's okay. Next image we have for which house? Let's see. For Phoenix. Identify this famous children's author.
Ma'am, may I?
Is it Roald Dahl? Roald Dahl.
Phoenix is answering correct. Perfect. Very well done. That's the correct answer. Good going. So here is Roald Dahl. Next. Which is the only word in English which will be pronounced the same even when the last 4 letters are removed?
Your time starts now.
This is for Delphinus.
I'm checking the time.
Check on the timing, Delphinus.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which is the
Please
only
attempt
word
fast.
in English which will be pronounced the same even when the last 4 letters are removed? Delphinus house? Yes. Correct.
Yeah. Time up.
Perfect. You get the marks here. This is the correct answer. Answer is Q. Now we come back to the last question of the visual round, which is for Pegasus. Identify this German diarist.
Pegasus House is Anne Frank. Anne Frank.
Correct. Very good. This is the right answer. Perfect. Well done. So with this, we come to an end of round 2, that's visual round. And I request Anupama ma'am to please announce the marks.
Yeah. Thank you, Neha ma'am. Good completion. The score at the end of the second round. Pegasus is 30. Delphinus is 40. Phoenix again 40. And the points for the Cygnus is 20. It's a big round of applause for all the kids. Congratulations.
Very well done.
Very well done.
Very good. Well done, children. Good work. Your presence of mind is actually being paid off. Good. Stay the same. And let's move towards round 3, which will be an audio round. Okay? Round 3 will be an audio round. So you need to be very alert listening to the audio. Got it? And stick to the time. Again, here you will have the audio round, 10 marks for the correct answer. Each team would be asked 1 question that would test their listening aptitude. If a team cannot answer the question, then the question would not be forwarded to the next team. Answering time is again 30 seconds and the correct answer shall be declared only after 30 seconds is over. Got it? So all set? All are ready? Great. So we can begin, Tanveer ma'am. The very first audio goes to which house? Let's see. So this is for Phoenix. Please listen carefully. The speech was delivered by which famous personality?
I was excited and terrified. The last time I felt like that was during my marriage. There's this dialogue from the Hindi film called Mere Paas Maa Hai, which means I have nothing, but I have my mother. So mother's here, and her blessings are there with me. I'm grateful for her to have come all the way. And I want to thank the Academy for being so kind, all the jury members. I want to thank Sam Schwartz, IDPR, all the crew of Slumdog, Mr. Gulzar, Rakib Alam, Blaze, my musicians in Chennai and Mumbai. And I want to say something in Tamil, which I normally say after every award, which is Ella program Meravanake. God is great. Thank you.
And now your time starts. Sorry? Be loud. I'm so sorry. Are you sure? It's a wrong answer. It's a wrong answer. Sorry, Phoenix.
Come on.
No
Arey,
multiple
that
attempts.
was very simple. Slumdog he mentioned.
It was actually simple. You just had to hear it.
All the hints were there. My goodness.
Anyways, chalo, good try.
Well
Can you
done,
tell
yeah.
them the right answer, Neha ma'am?
Correct. Yes, ma'am. It's A.R. Rahman. The correct answer is A.R. Rahman. No problem. No problem. Well tried, Phoenix. Good going. So now moving on to the next house, Tanveer ma'am. Again, here you have to identify the famous personality who's giving the speech. Alert. Come on.
Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. History has proven that those who dare to imagine the impossible are the ones who break all the human limitations. In every field of human endeavor, whether science, medicine, sports, arts, or technology, the names of the people who imagined the impossible are engraved in our history. By breaking the limits of their imagination, they change the world.
Okay. So your time starts now, Cygnus. Who will
APJ Abdul
answer?
Kalam.
Very good. Perfect. So this is like everybody, I could see a smile on the face. All could identify the speaker here. Okay, good. Well done. The answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Very good. Moving ahead to the next house. That's for Delphinus. Let's listen. Who's the famous personality here?
It's a great pleasure and a great privilege to be here this evening. A little overwhelming, if I might say so. And I'm overwhelmed. Let me just say that on all the years and the varying capacities that I've tried to work in, the most fascinating period of time that I've had is in the automotive area. The automobile business is truly innovative and a tremendously rewarding business. It has more excitement than any other business I've been involved in. And the greatest pleasure I've had is trying to do everybody says could not be.
Okay.
Yeah, your time starts now.
Correct. Your time begins. Delphinus house. Anyone? Delphinus house, come on. Who's this famous personality?
Martin Luther King Jr.
No, it's the wrong answer. I'm sorry. It's the wrong answer. The correct answer is Ratan Naval Tata, an industrialist. I repeat, Ratan Naval Tata, an industrialist, philanthropist, and a former chairman of Tata Sons. Okay? So moving ahead to the next house, let's see what do they have. Yes, for so the Pegasus. Be very careful, listen carefully, the famous personality who's speaking. Yes, ma'am.
Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religions. And I thank you in the name of the millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects.
Yeah, time starts now.
Yes, time begins now. Pegasus.
Yes, come on.
Pegasus House, I think this is Swami Vivekanand.
Who's speaking?
I'm Anushka. If anyone
Anushka
else
from Pegasus House.
we can
Very
give this
good,
answer.
very good, very good, Anushka. Well done. This
Thank you,
is Swami Vivekanand. Big round of applause for Anushka. Come on.
Very
Good,
well done. Well done, Anushka.
Very well done. So
Very
with
well
this,
said, Anushka. Well done.
Yes, ma'am. So with this, we come to an end to the audio round as well, the third round, and I request Anupama ma'am to update us with the scores.
Thank you very much, Neha ma'am. Wonderful round it was. Really, I could see the expressions on their face. Navras has started today only, I think. The different expressions when the audio was going, I could see. Okay, well done.
Yes.
See, end of we have the scores of Pegasus is 40, Delphinus 40, Phoenix 40, and Cygnus 30. So all the teams are in almost scoring in the same way.
Very
Okay?
nice.
Pegasus, Delphinus, and Phoenix all are in 40, and Cygnus is 30. Congratulations. Let's move to the fourth round. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So it's a neck-to-neck competition, which I can see.
Yes,
Very, I mean, good going. Correct?
Good going.
Good going. Keep up the spirit, children. Now moving ahead to the, round 4, which is actually very exciting because it's rapid fire round. Rapid fire round. Now what you have to do here, let's see. Again, each team will be asked to nominate a member from their team. Okay, so here I want one candidate. Multiple voices I don't want to hear from each house. Each team will be asked to nominate a member from their team. Nominated member will be given 60 seconds to answer the questions in this round. Okay, 10 marks for the correct answer. Team discussion is allowed, that is through chat box, which you'll be doing, right? If a team cannot answer the question, they can say pass for the next question. Okay, so there'll be 10 questions which I'll be asking you. In case you don't know the answer of either, you can ask me to pass. Okay, to move on to the next question rather than wasting time. Because 60 seconds in time you have to. Yes, any query?
The total time is 60 seconds or it is for each question?
It is the total time what you'll be getting.
Okay.
Okay. So in that 60 seconds, 10 questions I'll be asking you and you have to answer instantly. If you don't know the answer, quickly you have to say pass. So that you can get multiple questions to try. Got it? If a team cannot answer the question, they can say pass for the next question. The questions will not be forwarded to the next team. So all those questions are just for your team. Got it? So all set? All the best, everyone. So let's see. We'll begin with the very first house. Phoenix. So I want to know, please nominate one member, Phoenix. whom you would like to answer all the questions? Discuss amongst yourself and tell me fast. Okay, one vote goes for Shubh Kamal. Is like all the house members are okay with it? Tell me quickly, children, so that we can begin. Who will be answering for Phoenix House?
One has voted, rest are myself.
Okay. Okay, Phoenix. So is that, shall I move ahead with Shubh Kamal now? Come on, give me a thumbs up. Okay.
Thumbs up from my side.
That I can see, fine. Rizwan ma'am, can I proceed?
Yeah, ma'am. Please proceed. Yeah. So final, who's giving the answer? Shall we consider Shubh Kamal?
That's what I'm
Shubh
asking.
Kamal. See, students, Arnav is also raising his hand. You have to come to one final conclusion. We can't wait anymore.
Delay,
All the
right.
four.
No, you can discuss with me, right? The answer.
Other two students, kindly finalize quickly. Who else is there in Phoenix? Arnav, Shubh Kamal. Who else is there?
Mayuri.
Mayuri, whom would you want to take a lead? Satvik is saying Shubham. Mayuri, how about you? Quick, please.
Children, don't think so much. Come on.
Mayuri is not replying. So I guess Mayuri, who do you want?
Ma'am, Shubh Kamal.
Okay, Shubh Kamal, you go ahead then. 3 students voted for Shubh Kamal. Shubh Kamal will take a lead.
Okay, fine. Then let's move ahead. Shubh Kamal. One question in one go, okay? Ma'am, question number 1. What is the past participle of hide? Your time has started.
Hid.
Okay, next.
Is it right, ma'am?
Always.
Proper.
Correct. First one was wrong. Second is correct. Next.
The first one is wrong, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. First one is wrong. Second is the correct answer. Next slide, ma'am. Identify this comic character.
I don't know his name. Ma'am, pass.
Pass. Okay. Pass. Who do you call a person who feels the darker side of things?
Negative.
Shubh Kamal. We can discuss.
Yes, please tell. Does anyone have answer for this?
Yes, I know.
Yes, please tell.
Tell fast.
I'm pessimist.
What?
Okay, correct. Next, question number 5.
Yeah, time up, ma'am.
What do you call a person
Time up,
who
ma'am.
sees the
Time up.
brighter side
Ma'am,
of
time
things?
up.
You can't say this question. Time up.
Okay, time up.
Okay, time up. So altogether, only 2 questions right out of 20 questions. Phoenix House got 2 questions right. Moving towards the next house, that's Delphinus. Tell me one candidate. Delphinus. Who will take up?
Shubham, you will go.
हाँ मैम बोलो ना. हाँ मैम बोलो ना.
Quick.
बस rapid fire what is going on.
Delphinus, who will take up? Tell me a name.
Ma'am, Shubham.
Okay, Shubham, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's begin. Very first question for Delphinus House. Who wrote Paradise Lost?
Satvik,
Who wrote Paradise Lost? Sorry?
No, I don't know.
Pass. Okay. Next. What is the past participle of bite?
Bitten.
Correct. Next. Identify this character, fiction character.
Does anybody know? Pass.
Yes, Tintin.
I know.
Tintin. Tintin. Very good. Correct. Next.
What is the name?
What is the name given to a word used
Pronoun.
instead of a noun? Very
Pronoun.
good. Correct. Next.
Miles to
Miles to go before I sleep. To which poem does this line belong to?
Does anybody?
Miles to go before I sleep. Please tell me the time it is going.
No, this is a pass.
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 Pass. Next question. Complete the proverb. People who live
In
dash.
glass houses should not throw
Time
stone
up,
at
time up.
others.
Very good. Very good.
Time up.
Correct.
Time
Next.
up, ma'am. Time up,
Time
ma'am.
up. Okay. Great. Good work. Good one means Delphinus. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 questions correct.
Good work,
Very good.
Shubham.
Good one. 4 correct questions you all have attempted and answered. Next, moving ahead to Cygnus. Cygnus. Who will be there?
I don't know this.
Tell me.
I don't know.
Arnav.
Yes.
Just a minute. All are okay with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's begin with the
ma'am.
question for Cygnus
Time
House. Your time has begun. Who is the author of the famous short story Last Leaf?
Anyone knows?
Quick,
Pass.
tell me. Pass.
Pass.
Okay.
Anna, we should do it.
What is the past participle of swim?
Swam.
No. Next. Next question. Identify this character.
I know it.
Quick, come on.
Supandi. Supandi.
Very good. Correct. Next. Give a synonym for brittle.
Weak.
Very good. Next. What is the name given to the nouns that we can only think of? We can only think of.
Abstract noun.
Very good. Next. Number 6. What is the name given to a play with a sad ending?
Time up, ma'am.
Okay.
Time up.
So the time is already over and the Cygnus House has answered 3 correct questions. Good. Very good. Rapid fire, 3 correct questions. Cygnus House has answered. Moving to Pegasus. Who will be there answering the questions? Nominate a member.
Ma'am, I'll do it. Anushka Sagar.
Anushka. Okay. Anushka will do. Let's move. Anushka, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first question for Pegasus. Your time begins now.
Now.
Who wrote The Golden Gate?
Pegasus House.
Sorry?
Ma'am, pass.
Pass. Okay. Next. What is the past participle of freeze?
Froze.
No. Next. Identify the following character.
Anushka, it's Chacha Chaudhary.
Chacha.
Chacha Chaudhary.
Correct. Next. Whose autobiography is... Very good. Next. Question number 5. What is the name given to a noun that we can see, feel, or taste?
Is it material noun?
Concrete noun.
Concrete noun. Concrete noun.
Correct. Very good. Next. Complete the proverb. Make hay dash.
Time up, ma'am. Time up.
Oh, okay.
Time up.
Thank you, ma'am. So, altogether, 3 correct answers given by Pegasus House. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done. Very good. So now we come to an end fire as well. All the houses have given a very good attempt. Very well tried. Now let's move on. Anupama ma'am, please update us with the final score.
Yeah, thank you, Neha ma'am. It's wonderful. It's really, I enjoyed this quiz like anything. Lot of things I have learned in English also, and these children are really doing wonderful. There is okay tie break with Phoenix and Cygnus. Phoenix and Cygnus are with 60 points, and Pegasus is with 70 points, and the winner today is Delphinus with 80 points. So here, the winner for today is Delphinus with 80 points, Pegasus with 70 points, and now we'll have a tie break for the third position between Phoenix and Cygnus. So these two, yeah, they have 60 points. So if they tell the right answer quickly, you will be in the third position. Okay?
Very good.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
We'll have an open house question now for Phoenix and Cygnus. Okay. Whosoever answers it grabs the third position. So congratulations, Delphinus, for grabbing the first position. Very well done.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good work. So let's have the tiebreaker question for Phoenix and Cygnus house.
Ma'am, nothing would be possible without your efforts and support.
That's great.
Ma'am, who is it?
This is for Phoenix and Cygnus.
Whoever tells first.
Ma'am, rhythm. Rhythms.
Without the wobble.
Rhythms. I told you rhythms with an S. RHYTHMS.
Correct answer. Rhythm is the correct answer. But who gave? Arnav.
Ma'am, I gave.
Arnav.
Arnav, and I'm from Phoenix.
Ma'am, it's
Okay.
Arush Nandi.
But I told it first. You said rhythm, not rhythms. But the answer, ma'am, is
Okay.
Ma'am, he said rhythm. I said
Ma'am, they said rhythm. Arnav said rhythms, and rhythms is the correct answer.
rhythm. RHYTHMS.
Arnav, I said mute yourself, child.
Okay. Silence now.
Is there any teacher who gave the answer first? Anybody?
Yes, I saw.
Who can give us the assurance? Amongst teachers, I am asking.
Arnav.
Amongst teachers,
Yes, ma'am.
can you all understand? Amongst teachers, I am asking. Teachers, students, kindly mute yourself.
It was Arnav from Phoenix House.
Okay, ma'am.
Arnav.
Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you. It
Ma'am,
was Arnav from Phoenix.
So +5 I'll give, such that Phoenix has got third position for 65. Okay. Congratulations, children. A big round of applause for all the winner is Delphinus. So here today with 80 points, and the second is Pegasus, third is Phoenix, and fourth is Cygnus. Very well done. Thank you.
Well played.
Wonderful performance by all. Congratulations to winners as well as to the participants. Well done, really very well done.